जॉयसिस रेसिपी चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को दबाइए मेरे नए रेसिपी को देखने के लिए।
Welcome back viewers to our channel Joyce's Recipe. Today's video is somewhat different from usual. Today we are not going to show you any recipe, but we are doing a video tutorial on how to use commercial cake mix to make homemade cakes. Let's check out the package contents. This is the cake mix. The recipe instruction in several languages. Topping mix. And the sprinkles. So let's begin with mixing the ingredients. For this we will need a bowl. Here is the mix. Cut from the red dotted area. As you can see in the package, there is labeling of 130 ml and 120 ml. For correct measurement, you have to hold this packet in here and pour the milk up to this marking. You have to make sure that you have to hold in this point as instructed. Or else the measurements will be incorrect. But today we are going to use measuring cup, not the package. Into this dry mix we have to add 120 ml of milk. Now add this 120 ml of milk into the mix. Different commercial mixes have different ratios. You have to see the instruction to make the cake. Now make a smooth paste out of it. Okay. Smooth batter is ready. There are no lumps. Now at this stage we have to add the oil. You could use oil or butter. Into this mix we are going to add 30 ml of vegetable oil. It's roughly around 2 tablespoons and half. Now mix this oil properly. Use cut and fold technique for better result. The batter is ready. See how smooth it is. I've taken here an aluminium tin kind of thing and grease this vessel with oil or butter, whatever you want. Now take this mixture and pour it into the greased pan. I have poured the mixture and labeled the mixture well. Now tap the bowl to release the air bubbles. let the water heat. The water is heated up. Now put the cake mix in it. Take the pressure cooker lid with the rubber band on, but no whistle. Put the lid on. Now in medium high flame, keep this cake batter for 40 minutes. "40 minutes are up. Off the flames. Open the pressure cooker lid. Be careful, it's hot. Now poke the cake with toothpick or knife to check if it's cooked or not. First at the middle. It's clear. Now at the edge. It's all clear. It's all good to go. Now take this cake out. Let this cake cool for 30 minutes. We have two sachets. One is topping mix and another is sprinkle. The topping mix is the powder and we have to sieve it over the cake, so it will be done later. For now, we will show you the sprinkles. The sprinkles are just as in packaging. The cake is completely cooled down. Now let's unmold the cake. At first loosen the ridges. Take a plate like this. As you can see, it's spongy and soft. Let's turn it over. And now, remember we were given a topping mixing, so cut this back out. Take a sieve. Set this out. Now it's time for the sprinkles. Now let's have this cake sliced up.